Welcome to DreamHaven Ideas. Imagine walking through your backyard on a path that feels like a journey through a carefully curated gallery where every step reveals beauty, where natural materials tell a story, and where thoughtful design transforms a simple walk into a moment of peace. This is the power of a well-designed garden walkway. Today, we're exploring over 100 backyard walkway ideas for 2026, featuring private paradise garden paths and elegant walkway designs. Whether you have a sprawling estate or a compact urban yard, these inspiring designs show how the right pathway can become the backbone of your landscape guiding movement, creating flow and adding undeniable elegance to your outdoor living space. As we journey through these stunning pathways, notice how modern walkway design has evolved beyond simple function. Today's paths are experiences. Natural stone pavers in varying sizes create organic rhythm, while precise brick patterns in herringbone or basket weave showcase craftsmanship. Luxury gravel, stabilized and edged with weathered steel or copper, offers a contemporary alternative that's both beautiful and permeable. You'll see how integrated LED lighting transforms paths after dark recessed markers that glow softly, fiber optics embedded in stone joints creating a starry effect, or vintage lanterns casting warm pools of light. These aren't just safety features, they're design elements that extend the life and magic of your outdoor spaces well into the evening hours. Materials matter. Bluestone brings cool sophistication with natural cleft texture. Travertine offers warm elegance with honed surfaces. Weathered brick tells stories of time and tradition. And decomposed granite, when properly stabilized, provides a natural, permeable surface that's surprisingly durable and wonderfully understated. The magic happens in the details: moss-filled joints that soften hard edges, copper edging that develops character over time, curved paths that invite exploration rather than demand efficiency. Smart irrigation systems hidden beneath keep border plantings lush. Permeable designs allow water to nourish the earth rather than run off. Every choice reflects intention. As you explore these ideas, I invite you to imagine which path would guide you home. Would you choose the romantic curve of a flagstone walkway winding through cottage gardens, where every step is surrounded by blooms and fragrance? Or does your heart lean toward the clean precision of modern concrete pavers with integrated lighting, where minimalism meets luxury? Consider your lifestyle. Do you love entertaining? A wide brick pathway in classic patterns creates grand entrances for gatherings. Do you crave tranquility? A Zen-inspired stepping stone path through raked gravel promotes mindfulness with each step. Do you value sustainability? Permeable pavers and native plant borders honor the environment while creating beauty. Think about the feeling you want to create. Is it the nostalgic warmth of weathered brick underfoot, the cool elegance of natural stone, the organic simplicity of gravel bordered by ornamental grasses? Each material, each pattern, each lighting choice shapes the experience of moving through your outdoor sanctuary. If these walkway ideas have inspired you to reimagine how you move through your outdoor space, we'd be grateful if you'd like this video and subscribe to DreamHaven Ideas. By joining our community, you'll receive weekly inspiration for creating beautiful, functional outdoor spaces that elevate your everyday life. We're here to help you design the pathways that will guide you home for years to come. Now, settle in and enjoy this curated collection of walkway inspiration. Let these images spark your creativity and show you how a simple path can become the heart of your landscape.